It was dark, but I could see. In the morning I see you in a different. I knew better. I saw your feet off the ground. I knew better. Something was holding me down. I knew better. And still I spun you around. And for a moment we were dancing in the street like people do. Dancing in the street hiding.
Loyal eh. Kilala kayo lang loyal lang kuya. Kaya idol na idol ko kuya.
Yun yung attitude ko nagsisimula sa letter A. Honest.
You were staring back at me like you didn't want to.
Brother Mark at sa aking best man, aking utol, Label.
Ito ang aking pinakamagandang inaanak.
In the morning I see you in a different light. You knew better, and still you kept me around. You knew better. Something was holding me down. You knew better, and still I spun you around. And for a moment we were dancing in the street like people do. Dancing in the street, hiding the truth. Dancing in the street like people do. When they're in love. They're in the street like we both do. They're in the street like we both do. Suddenly morning came and all the rain had gone away. When we woke up from a dream, darling, everything had changed. Though it's over and we know it, would you know that I care? Would you know that I care? We were dancing in the street.
Camille, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib? Si Dave na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo, Father.
Dave, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib? Si Camille na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo, Father.
Hi, mahal. Punuin mo itong bag ng maraming salapi. Hahaha, Dave. Pang madam.
Always wear and bring this. And I hope na makapagdala ito ng madami pang blessing sa atin. I love you. Bah, ay ginto eh. Bustoyo. Ay mahal, finally, dumating na ang araw na ating pinakihintay. Sa loob ng 8 taon, napakarami na nating pinagdaanan. Salamat at hindi ka sumuko sa ating relasyon.
Para sa nanay.
You are my sunshine on my darkest days and my laughter in the moments of joy. Ipinapangakong kung susuportahan ka sa lahat ng iyong pangarap at maging kasama mo sa bawat pagsubok at tagumpay.
Pangako ko sa iyo, mamahalin, aalagaan at iingatan kita hanggang sa tayo ay tumanda. Anumang pagsubok ang dumating sa ating dalawa, andito lang ako sa tabi mo at haharapin natin ito ng magkasama. Tandaan mo palagi na may isang Dave na totoong nagmamahal sa iyo. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you so much.
Together, we will create a home filled with laughter, kindness, and love. I vow to be faithful, to respect you, and to cherish you for all that you are and all that we will become together. I love you, love, Mrs. De Leon.